Okay, so there's this bag, and it's come apart, and one strap was inside the other strap. The person who it belonged to tried to stitch it together, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna try and see if I can do something with it. And here it goes. Anyway, the needle snapped. It's not a good job because the material is super thick. Like compared to double, this is four pieces of leather. Normally you just put two pieces in. So anyway, it's not the best job, but it should hold the bag for a long time. So that's it really.